Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
Here we got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading.
Hey, don't scream me, Grucci. It's a look out there. Hey, Dolly, I have kitten. Winnie, nom Winnie, her dead, nom Winnie. No, he's gone. Wow, in the tunnel fire. Go get it. No, Victor. Hey, Dolly. That was so flying. That was awesome. Oh, the one lane beat time. Oh, Link Dow was so proud. Thank you.